In this video, we use Stealthbits and Atakama to identify and encrypt sensitive information. Let's start by putting context around what Stealthbits discovered. In this case, we've identified social security numbers and credit card numbers, as well as other sensitive records. It's important to consider not just where that information exists, but also what users are doing with that information and who could effectively gain access to it. Furthermore, you want to understand how users are gaining access to that information and any exceptional risks associated with that, like information exposed too broadly across the organization. This is an example where you might want to employ Stealthbits automated remediation to achieve a least privilege model across all these different repositories, as well as utilize threat analytics to proactively stop exfiltration attempts and stop abuse of sensitive information. In this case, we're going to jump right to applying encryption with Atakama. So I've got this report here that shows all the sensitive information we've identified, and Stealthbits has now asked Atakama to go out and encrypt these particular files. So across these different shares, I've got my social security numbers and credit cards and other sensitive records that we found. And now when I flip over to Windows Explorer, I can see that those files have little lock icons next to them, right? So everything Stealthbits marked as sensitive is now encrypted by Atakama. If you take a look at the mobile device over here, when I go to access one of these files, Atakama is going to prompt me to authorize that from my mobile device. The keys are distributed across devices for added security. So now that I have authorized that access, it's brought up that document. And I'll do it one more time with this spreadsheet. When I click on this loan spreadsheet, it's going to ask me on my mobile device if I approve this access. And once I approve it, it'll launch that spreadsheet. So that's the end-to-end workflow of how to identify and encrypt information with Stealthbits and Atakama.